Yeah, so welcome to this amazing video tutorial. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can use Binance to receive cryptocurrency from your clients. Maybe you're into freelancing, you're blogging, digital website, lead generation, Facebook advert, or any digital service you are offering, and your clients want to pay you through cryptocurrency. I'm going to show you how you can use your Binance account to receive your payment. So Binance is one of the best cryptocurrency exchanger out there, which you can use to keep your cryptocurrency and also use it to receive cryptocurrency for your client, and also you can use it for trading. But we are not going to that part today. But in this particular video, what we are going to cover is how you can use Binance to receive crypto, maybe USDT, BTC, Ethereum, Binance, and other crypto that is listed on Binance. How you can use it to receive payment from clients. So if this is the first time watching our video, please click on the subscribe button, and also later in future we're going to drop how you can use the P2P trading, how you can use it to trade your coins and receive your payment into your bank account, into your local bank account, without any third party, without getting scammed. So if you want to get updated with that video, just click the subscribe button now, so whenever we drop the video, you are going to get notified. So let's get started. I'm going to on my phone and I'm going to walk you through the demo how you can use Binance to receive your crypto payments. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. So welcome back. So I'm going to do it quickly so to show you how to receive Bitcoin with your Binance wallet. So if you have not registered on Binance, you can just click the link under this video description and register on Binance. So just click the link under this video description. So it's going to take you to this page, so where you can register your Binance account. So if you have already registered your Binance account and it's already been verified, you can just keep this video forward. So I'm not going to show you how to, I'm not going to show you how to register on Binance on this video. If you want me to do a complete video how to do that, you can just click on this subscribe button. So all you have to do is just to create your account, deposit money of $15 within 14 days, and you're going to receive 100 USD cashback voucher. So just click on get started. So all you have to do is just to sign. You can sign up with your email or phone number. So just sign up with your email, your password. So your referred ID, just accept, and like just create your personal account. The next thing they're going to ask you to verify your account. You can use either your NIN, your BVN, anyone to verify your details. So if you are not using your email, you can use your phone number to register. So after you have successfully registered, then you can go back to your dashboard. So let me go to Binance. So if you want to deposit to your wallet, so I'm going to go to this wallet option. Then I'm going to see, I'm waiting for it to load. So you're going to see deposit crypto here. So you're going to find the wallet you want to fund. Maybe you are sending to you want to fund your maybe you want to fund your USD, your BTC. So in this video I'm using Bitcoin. I'm sending from one wallet to Binance. So I'm going to be using BTC. So you can choose any of this network. You can choose BNB, Bitcoin, just choose anyone. I'm going to use Bitcoin. The next thing, you have to copy this wallet address. Can you see? Send only BTC to this deposit address. Just make sure the crypto you want to receive is the crypto wallet you copy. So if you want to receive USDT, just make sure you search for USDT. So you can see it here. Just make sure the crypto you want to receive, that's what you are searching for. So like I'm using and to receive Bitcoin. I'm using Bitcoin. And I've copied my wallet address. So you copy your wallet address, then the next thing you have to do is to send it to your client that is sending you the Bitcoin. So I'm sending from one wallet, I'm sending from blockchain. So we are sending for another wallet. I'm using blockchain again. So just click on send if you are using blockchain. So let me just paste the address. Next. So I'm sending $50 to it. Send now. So send it in progress. So I'm going to pause this video for a time. So when it receives, we are going to continue on it. So let's check our email now. Like I was saying, our email deposit confirmed. So your deposit of 0.0, that's around $50, is now available in your Binance account. You're going to check your balance. So when you send to from another wallet to Binance, it's going to they allow like 1 to 2 confirmation before it shows on your Binance dashboard. So let's go to our Binance to check it. Let me refresh it back. So can you see it's here in our Binance? So can you see? So it is here. Our Binance around $50. So that's how it works. So that's how you can receive payments with your Binance account. So maybe you want to receive BTC, you want to receive USD, any wallet you want to receive with Binance, and as long that they support the network. So just search for this type of crypto you want to receive. Maybe it's Ethereum. Let's look for again. Make a deposit. So just search for maybe it's Ethereum. Just search for it. Then choose the network. Maybe BNB, Ethereum, Arbitrum One, BNB. So just choose the network and make sure from the network we are sending from support all this network. So make sure and be very and confirm that this network you are sending your Bitcoin from support this network that you want to receive your crypto with, so for you not to lose your crypto. So that's how it works. So all you have to do, you have not registered, so just click on the link under this video description to register on Binance, so it will be easy for you also to sell your crypto on Binance using P2P trading. Like if you want to sell this Bitcoin, I'm going to sell it on this platform. I'll just go to P2P trading. So I'm not going to do the video now. If you want to learn about to sell it, you can just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Next time I'm going to do a complete video how you can sell on Binance. So just click on confirm. So this is where you're going to sell your crypto. So this is how this is where it's going to. So that's not for today, that's for another day. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button, like and comment. So if you want us to assist you with anything, just use the WhatsApp link under this video description to message us on our WhatsApp. We're glad to assist you. Thank you very much. Thank you. We'll see you again.